Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial moves to help you build your wealth smarter. Today, we're diving into something timely: how to open a 5% CD at Capital One in 2025. If you're looking to lock in a solid return on your savings amidst fluctuating rates, this is a must-watch. First off, what's a CD? It's a certificate of deposit, basically a low-risk savings tool that offers a fixed interest rate for a specific term. And right now, Capital One's 5% offer could be a game changer for your finances. To get started, you'll need to ensure you're eligible. Capital One CDs are available to most U.S. residents, but check their website for any updates specific to 2025, like age or residency requirements. Step 1. Head over to the Capital One website or download their app. It's user-friendly and secure. If you don't have an account yet, sign up quickly. You'll need basic info like your name, address, social security number, and some ID verification. Once logged in, navigate to the Savings or CDs section. Look for the 5% APY option. It might be a promotional rate, so act fast as rates can change. Select the term length that suits you. Options could range from 6 months to 5 years. Then, decide how much to deposit. Remember, the minimum might be around $0 for some accounts, but check for 2025 specifics to maximize your earnings. Next, link a funding source like your checking account and transfer the funds. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid delays. After submission, you'll get a confirmation email, and your CD will start earning that sweet 5% interest from day one. Pro tip: CDs lock your money in, so only invest what you won't need immediately to avoid early withdrawal penalties. By 2025, with potential economic shifts, this could be a smart move for steady growth. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's make 2025 your best year yet for savings.